I am Kishore. I head the Hyderabad branch for Bonton Tours. Bonton Tours is basically a Dubai-based company, and apart from Dubai, we do the other destinations like Uzbekistan, Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, Malaysia. Because we have been very successful in Dubai, that's why we started other destinations. Dubai, the advantage is we have got a very courteous ground handling staff. Our hotel rates are very good. Our service and the courts returns will be very fast. Every person in the industry, especially all over India, are very much satisfied with the two things because of our service, and the rates are very economical. We will be providing you the total tours in Dubai. We will be providing you hotels. You will be welcomed in the airport by our courteous staff. We have got a very courteous staff in Dubai, and our MD, Mr. Avinish, is a very youngster, just about 37 years old, who started Dubai with a vision, and he is now completing his mission by taking Dubai forward. Now there is a Dubai Shopping Festival which will be there from January 5th to February 5th, wherein the rates in Dubai will be 50%. Your TV costing in India will be about 80,000, which the same thing will cost you in Dubai with just 40 to 45,000. And then there is something called Global Village in Dubai, where all over the world people will be having their stalls, and that will be a real treat to watch for you in Dubai. Especially Dubai, you can see the city, the best city in the world, and the airport is also very attractive. We are getting very good response for the customers for Dubai, because people earlier used to mistake that Dubai, if you commit a mistake, your hand will be removed, leg will be removed. It is not like that. Dubai is a very friendly, eco-friendly especially for destinations, and you have at least minimum 24 to 25 things to see in Dubai. Apart from that, from Dubai you can just go 2 hours, you will reach Sharjah. In 4 hours you will reach Abu Dhabi, which is a very nice place to see. So Dubai, the advantage you will have is you will have a lot of eco-friendly people. It is not that people are mistaken that you go there, you do something wrong, you will be punished. You will be punished wherever you are there in the world. But our people will guide you what are the do's and don'ts in Dubai, and you will have it definitely a pleasure trip to Dubai. The weather is good, especially the weather from September to April will be very, very cold and very, very nice to visit Dubai. Means you have the city tour, you have desert safari, you have Dow cruise, you have aqua venture, you have Last Chambers, and you have beautiful 5-star hotels. You have more than 200 to 250 5-star hotels. A person who is earning 10,000 rupees also can go to Dubai. A person who is earning 1 lakh also can go to Dubai, because there are 2-star facilities. There are service apartments also in Dubai. People are mistaken the hotels are costly. The hotels are not costly. And if you are a very genuine man, the Dubai government approves the visa without any problem.